Xiaomi is gearing up for its next big performance flagship under the Redmi brand. The Redmi K90 has just surfaced on GeekBench, carrying the model number 2510DRK44C, and its benchmark scores already hint at a powerhouse. The device scored 3080 points in single-core and 9382 points in multi-core tests, thanks to Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with 16GB of RAM. Now here's the exciting part. Last year's Redmi K80 only came with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and you had to go for the Pro model to get the Snapdragon 8 Elite. But this time, even the regular K90 gets the full flagship treatment. The phone will also launch with Android 16 out of the box, along with Xiaomi's HyperOS 3 skin. Leaks suggest a 7100 mAh battery, with blazing fast 100-watt charging. On the front, we might see a 6.59-inch flat RGB OLED LTPS display with 2K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Other expected upgrades include a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers, a premium metal frame, and an X-axis linear motor for crisp haptics. Xiaomi launched the K80 series in November last year, so if history repeats, the Redmi K90 lineup could debut around the same time this year. With all these upgrades, the Redmi K90 is shaping up to be one of the most powerful smartphones in its price range, and possibly the best Redmi yet. So what do you think? Will the Redmi K90 set a new benchmark for performance flagships? Let us know in the comments.